Good morning. Happy Friday. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update for October 27th, 2023. Checking out the radar. Nothing going on in Georgia once again this morning. No change in our upper dynamics of the atmosphere. All the high pressures and the low pressures are all where they've been the last 3 days. So we're going to keep things about the same as we go through the day today. Quick look at the tropics. We have a little storm system out there that is showing some signs of development. A good chance over the next couple of days that this turns into another named storm. But it is forming way too far north for it to be any threat to us. It's right there in the westerly, so that's going to get pushed off to the east without any problems at all and then dissipate fairly quickly. But just wanted to show you that there is a little something out there near Bermuda that is trying to come together. Let's take a look at the modeling as we go through the day today. Exactly the same as the last 2 days. We're going to see a mix of sun and clouds, more sun than clouds over most of the state, and then still showing the possibility of a shower or two popping up along the Georgia coastline. That's not all that great of a possibility, but it is there. Just know there is a chance of a very light shower from Savannah down to Brunswick, possibly in the Springfield and Statesboro. And then we move through the late afternoon hours, still pretty quiet, still showing a chance of those showers again in southeast Georgia. We're going to be fighting the high pressure that's pushing down on the atmosphere, not allowing these showers to pop up, but we do have plenty of moisture in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere that would like to bring a shower or two, and that's why the model is kind of resolving that and thinking that it could happen. But most of us stay dry through the day today, certainly dry in middle and north Georgia. Heading through the overnight hours, we'll start out with some fog again tomorrow morning. Again, we talk about that moisture in the atmosphere. It condenses as we cool off and the surface temperatures cool. So that's why we have been seeing the fog over the last few mornings, and we'll see it again tomorrow into tomorrow afternoon. Also pretty quiet. Jacksonville is on the map. We can talk about Jacksonville. No problems for the game tomorrow. Looks like a kickoff temperature of 81, and we'll hold it around 81 or so throughout the remainder of the game with just a few clouds around. And then tomorrow evening, also looking quiet throughout the state and in North Florida as well. Let's take a look at Sunday. No big changes. High pressure stays locked in. You can see some showers up above the logo there trying to creep in. That's part of a frontal boundary that has much cooler and drier air on the backside. That's going to take a few days to reach us. I think it's fully going to cross North Georgia sometime by Tuesday night into Wednesday. So we're going to see cooler temperatures, noticeably cooler in the northern part of the state. You'll notice it in middle Georgia. South Georgia, you're going to have to pay close attention to notice any change in the air mass. But we are expecting some cooler, drier air around Halloween or November 1st. But it's going to take a little while to get here. We'll talk about it as it gets a little bit closer. That's your morning weather update from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.